bugs. You're so chill, Nova. Good, your kittens are calmer about nursing now. Remember how much of a pest they used to be? I do. Massive, tiny pests. Oh, just look at those ear twitches. Oh, very excellent ear twitches.